In this video, I'll show you how you can change the Steam region, which means changing the store currency. Now, if you read in here, it tells you that if you move to a new country or something, you'll be able to change it when you make your first purchase. But if you don't want to move to a new country, obviously, what you can do is use a VPN. Now, usually if you use a VPN, it's going to detect that you're in a new country and it will automatically update it for you. But like I said, if you're actually on vacation somewhere, you can make a purchase using any kind of local stuff. Like if you have a credit card from there, it will detect it. And also, if for some reason it doesn't work, what you can do is contact the Steam support and send them a ticket and they'll help you out. But like I said, using a VPN is probably the best way to do this if you have a little money to buy a VPN, or sometimes there's free ones that you can use. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.